how many combinations are possible while selecting 4 letters from the word smoke jack with the condition that J must appear in it? Again, very easy sum. Let us take a look how to solve this. What are they saying? We want a 4-letter word, or we have to select 4 letters. Out of that, J has to appear. That means one place is already occupied by J. Okay. Now, so we have to select only 3 letters. Also, out of smoke jack, J already has been occupied, so we cannot select J again. So what are we left with? SMOKEACK. Okay, so we are left with 8 letters. We are left with 8 letters. Out of that, K is repeated twice. Okay, K comes 2 times, right? Now what to do? Now we have to select 3 letters. There are 3 possibilities that can happen. What can happen is that you can have both the K's and you just need 1 letter over here. You can select 2 K's and you just need 1 letter over here. Once you select 2 K's, so these 2 K's will go out of commission. You cannot select them. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Out of these 6, 1 will come over here. That means there are 6 choices, or we can write this 6 as nothing but select 1 letter from 6 possible combinations. Correct? Right? What is the second possibility? That you include only 1 K. Okay, at any of these places you include only 1 K. Now you need not include K over here or over here, because it is not selection and arrangement. It is only selection of 4 letters. So you can select K for any of the place, it doesn't matter. Okay, only selection means combination, right? We select 1 K and these 2 places can be filled. How? We have to fill 2 places and we have to select these characters from where? From the remaining 6, because we are here considering only 1 K. We are not going to select the other K. So we will not consider the other K over here in this 6. Okay, these 6 will only include S, M, O, K, A, E, A and C. These 2 Ks will not be included. Out of that, out of the 2 Ks we have already included one, other one will not include. That possibility has already been covered over here. Okay, so these 2 can be filled in 6 C2 ways. Okay, what is the third possibility? This is the first possibility, or this is the second possibility, or okay, or the third possibility is what? Do not consider K at all. Okay, how to fill these 3 places using 6 characters? 3 places selected from 6 characters. Why should we not include these K, 2K? Because we have tried to include these possibilities over here. So over here we are considering a possibility where K is not included at all. Okay, so without including K, how many letters are there? 6. Out of 6 we have to select 3. Okay, so what are the total possible ways or total possible combinations? 6C1, or we can have 6C2, or we can have 6C3. This is nothing but 6 factorial upon 1 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial plus 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 4 factorial plus 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial. This would be 6 plus 15 plus 20. That would be 41 ways it is possible to have J, okay, while selecting 4 letters from the word smoke jack. See, we do not need any more formulas, just know the combination formula, just use simple common sense and we can solve the sum.